has been wearing. There you go. Signature. Go.
So for something to smile about this morning, we'll be using a water gun. I like this water gun here.
Cutie.
I want it. We're going to fill the bottles with water. Well, first we have to fill the water gun with water. So we have a bucket here that we're going to suck up the water and then we're going to blow back the water.
Well, guess what?
Is that
I think
race?
this is unfair because this hole is too big. I think we should do it here.
No, sir. Is that
man,
race?
give us a real
Is that
challenge.
race? So how you get the water? You just go so and pull it up?
Yeah. Wait, don't go yet.
Yeah, it feels heavy now. You know what I was going to do? Is push it back down.
So.
And then you go so.
Wait now. But you start to, oh wait, so we're shoving it off of the something?
No.
Cause look here.
Me like that.
I don't think that's what we're supposed to do, is it?
While she does that, I'll do what you're supposed to.
Wait, so wait no man, so is a competition or no? Surfing USA. Ba 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 ba. Jesus. Oh my. Why am I?
I hope the people who have the prohibition on water that watching this, they must have said, what are they doing?
Move it, man.
Water?
Move it. I like to move it.
Oh no, you start to race me.
It's a competition. We're not in a competition.
You see how you stay?
Feel like I want more. But this take longer than I thought it would.
Well, the place gets so dark a while ago.
Feel like I didn't take up any water. No, I never take up no water a while ago. What do you say? Oh
Almost
my God.
there.
It looks like a tie!
But not now.
Me too.
Yeah, but you finish after I and I. Where you going again?
It don't really feel today.
I want this though. I want to carry on this. No, man. A wicked woman, man. Sure. Watch me, you.
It wasn't supposed to be so much come out of me. I'm so sorry.
It's true, I love you, I'm not going to do what you
It's
do.
all right. Do it back.
No.
Do it back, no.
No.
Come the man.
All right. You see, you see what happened on national television.
I didn't mean to put up so much.
No, you're going to... Don't do that. Don't do that. All right. Apparently that was something to smile about. I don't know who's smiling.
Try. It's so actually quite cool. This is actually a good tool to carry like on the road with you.
I want this though.
When it gets hot.
But so come back. Stay with us, please.